Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end, no, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, and when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
It is Monday morning, and I'm feeling really good. I've just made myself an iced coffee that is so peng. I haven't got my coffee machine, which I'm really sad about. I wish I did bring it back from Lincoln, but to be fair, we had no room in the car. I've just put like a small bit of coffee at the bottom and then filled the rest with milk, put some ice cubes in. Obviously I have oat milk, and I found like a little one of them little mason jar things that we'd got from ages ago. So honestly tastes so good. I wish I did have some syrups as well, just to like spice things up, make me feel like I'm in Cafe Nero all over again. I'm really happy with how it came out. It's way better than what I thought it was going to be. So I've just been sipping my iced coffee and looking at my to-do list for today. So I'm filming some content today. I need to sort out my dissertation poster. That's another massive thing on my to-do list. From what I know currently, I think the dissertation poster conference is not going ahead, but we're still making the dissertation poster, and they're going to change the mark scheme so it's more visual rather than vocal as well, because it was like sort of half and half before. Like we were going to get marked on like the design and the content of the poster, as well as like us talking to all the different scientists and lecturers and stuff that were going to be at the conference. But obviously now that's not going to happen because we're not allowed to, because of social distancing, which is fair enough. I'm quite happy about, I'm like weirdly happy and not happy about it. I don't know if I've spoken about this on the vlog, but all of the times I've done like vocal presentations and spoke and done like interviews and things for my course, I've done so much better. I've literally always hit 80%. So I feel like the dissertation poster conference would have gone really well for me, because apparently I sound quite confident when I'm doing presentations, which is something I never thought I'd say, but I feel like I have definitely gained the confidence from going to uni. And now I think this is not going to go in my favour, although I do quite like designing posters and stuff. And if you've never done like a scientific poster before, or like a poster for uni, it's not obviously like as basic as a poster you'd make at school. It's like a lot more intricate and complex, and obviously it's gonna be displayed on like an A0 sheet. It's like the biggest form of poster possible. So I'm gonna be able to fit a lot of information on there, but not too much. I need to make sure everything is literate, makes sense, that it flows well on the poster, that I've got a nice mix of text and pictures and diagrams. That'll take me quite a while, and that's due in at the end of April, so I've got pretty much the whole of April to work on that. And then I'm obviously going to be starting revising for my exams, which I think I'm going to start tomorrow, and just focus today on the poster stuff and also filming the content that I need to, because I've got a couple of brand things going on, which is quite nice that some brands still want to work with me during this like crazy time in the world. So yeah, and it's for some brands that I really love. I'll make my iced coffee, so I'm using this little mason jar, and I'm gonna put just a couple of teaspoons of coffee at the bottom. I think we're using like Nescafe at the minute. That's the one that we've got in the house. Just 2 spoonfuls of that. Fill hot water up to the bottom of this, just so it's like small. I'd usually have espressos, but I don't have a coffee machine at home. It's at uni, and obviously all this pandemic stuff has stopped me from bringing a lot of stuff home, and just everything's a bit frantic. So just gonna put coffee there. Hello Barney, you're soaking wet. Yeah, then I fill the rest up with oat milk, and then just pop some ice cubes in, and we're good to go. So that's what I'm gonna do now. When I make my iced lattes, I'm just going to put this straight in the fridge. I just come in here because everyone's in the other room. Put this in the fridge just to keep it, get a little bit cold, and then pop like 3 ice cubes in. But because I've already had an iced coffee this morning, I'm going to save this for a little bit later, so I thought I might as well keep it in the fridge. Just been chilling with my family for a bit, just chatting about what we're going to have for dinner and stuff. All good things. So now I'm back in my room, and I'm going to work my way through my list. First off, I'm going to be filming an ad, so I'm going to pop you on the side again like I did the other day. I'm just doing a couple of Instagram stories stories again. So I've been given like quite a good brief. Like it's pretty much I've got a lot of creative control. I just need to make sure that I am like following, and they're doing like this really cool trend. It's with Amazon Prime Video. It'll probably be up on my Instagram by the time you see this vlog. So if you hop over to my Instagram, you'll probably see our stories, and get involved, because it's such an amazing thing that Amazon Prime are doing. It's to do with female equality. So I am shouting out basically my 3 most inspirational women in the entertainment industry and why they are so special to me, and how they inspire me. So that is what I'm about to film. I'm very excited. I also had some questions about this necklace the other day. So this, it's very tangled at the minute because I've just been playing with the dog, but it's this double layered, really thin gold chain necklace. It's so gorgeous. I'm literally wearing it all the time. It's from Happiness Boutique, and there's one that's like a little snake chain, and then the others are like a thinner chain, and they have given me a discount code. So if you want money off your order on the website, then you can use Charlotte Emily and you will get 10% off, I think it is. I'll leave everything down below in case any of you guys are interested, but they create like really high quality jewellery. The customer service is amazing, and yeah, I just recommend them. So yeah, for anyone who was asking about my necklaces, that's where they're from. So I'm just going to film me doing my makeup. I've really been enjoying doing my makeup recently, so I'm not going to stop myself. It gets me into a routine as well of like getting up and starting my day well. So I'm going to just do my makeup as I usually do. So I'm going to pop some YouTube on in the background and get going. Watching a little bit of Megan Short down there. And I'm going to do my face makeup for the day. I've also put on my socks from Boohoo, and I love them. It has like girl code at the back, and I feel really coordinated because I've got like my nice grey joggers on and then my pink top and socks on. I always love like pink and grey together. It makes me feel cute as fuck. Right, so I am about to read through my brief and then film my Insta stories, so I'll be back in a sec. So I have just finished doing my Amazon stuff, my camera cutout and everything, but I've just finished doing those and I've sent them off to one of my managers just to get approval and everything. So basically when I've done my work, beautiful, just got a lovely message back from Melissa. Melissa and Jamie are my managers at Sharp, and they are just the most amazing people ever. They're just so helpful. They're just great. So I've just been speaking to Melissa because she's doing the Amazon one for me, like different jobs that come in from both of them. So for Amazon, I'm speaking to Melissa for that, and she has just said thank you, and she's going to send them off to get approved. So that's what usually happens with brand stuff. Like most of the time you have to send it off for approval, especially if it is like a paid advertisement. Usually like Instagram stories are the smaller pay because obviously they're only up on your platform for 24 hours, so of course they're going to be a lot less than a YouTube video that's permanently going to be on my channel and people can see it like regularly. Instagram feed posts are then next because obviously they're going to remain on my feed and be permanent, but obviously they will slowly get further down my feed, if you know what I mean, whereas YouTube's a little bit more accessible, so that's usually where the money is bigger. If that makes sense. And obviously a lot more work goes into a YouTube video, like editing, filming, descriptions and all that jazz, in comparison to just getting a photo and writing a caption. So yeah, that's just a little bit of an insight into the payment side of things. So I'm waiting to get that approved. I don't know how long that's going to take. Sometimes it happens in the same day depending on how quickly the brand responds. Sometimes it takes days and days, but because this is like a quick turnaround, they probably will get back to me today, if not tomorrow, and I'll be posting it ASAP. So now I'm going to move on because I have a lecture today. Well, yeah, essentially I've got a lecture today for Fabs, so I'm gonna sit here and type up my notes, listen to Panopto. So lots of our lecturers are like filming themselves or recording themselves going through all the PowerPoint slides, and so it gives us a little bit of an insight and we can hear their voices, you know, make it a little bit of normality come back into our lives. So I'm going to pop you on here whilst I'm doing my notes and working on my uni stuff. So let me get my tripod so I can pop you up properly and we can get started. And then I think I'm going to do some more tidying later on in the day, but I'm going to try and get some uni work stuff done first. So after this lecture I'm going to do my disc poster too. So all of my uni work's done, so I thought I'd pop you on the side and you watch me edit. So I'm just editing my decluttering video, in case anyone's interested. Editing and like cutting on iMovie, it's like a pretty simple video to edit, to be honest, because it's just me like chatting and decluttering. It's really chill. So yeah, I'm just basically cutting bits that are irrelevant and like speeding like time lapses, sections up. Nothing too intricate. So for my dinner, oh god, we're zoomed in. So for my dinner, my dad has made us a Chinese. Ooh. Yum. What have we got? So we've got chow mein rice. We've got vegetable spring rolls. Yummy. Thanks, Dad. Yummy? Yeah. Hello. So I'm just FaceTiming Carrie. Actually, I'm just on FaceTime to Carrie. For some reason I haven't vlogged us and we've been FaceTiming like all week. But we've just been writing the rest of the ebook. This is what, like, this is like really rough at the minute, isn't it? Pretty much. It's just like...
You haven't mentioned the ebook yet?
Yeah, I have. I've mentioned it, I think, in my vlog that's going up tomorrow. But yeah, look, there's lots of writing here. We're not sure how long it's going to be, but it's definitely going to be longer than we thought.
In depth, like what the ebook's about?
No.
How far have you gone in depth?
Let's talk about it together.
What have you said?
Let's talk about it.
What have you said so far?
So I've said...
Wait, can you just wait there while I get my camera? Because then I won't have to do it.
Yeah, okay. Are you vlogging too?
Yeah, hang on.
Go check out Carrie's vlog. She's also vlogging whilst in isolation. We've both said we're really confused as to why we didn't self-isolate together. Like, I don't know why we didn't just self-isolate in my house in Lincoln, but we'll move.
We've basically finished writing it today, more or less, haven't we? Like,
yeah,
sort of checking bits and...
finishing the last section.
Yeah, and some of the like design work needs a bit of finishing off, but it's essentially done.
Yeah.
Which is crazy. Beginner's Guide to Instagram ebook.
Yeah, essentially. We've got like lots of different bits in here. So talking about like optimizing your profile, tips we'd give for like growth, content shooting, collaborations with brands, like the early stages of it all, and just a little bit of an insight into what we've like experienced over the years of like blogging and Instagram. So it's
got a lot of different categories, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Sort of split it up into things, like some top tips, like things we've learned.
It's quite lengthy. We're gonna make it fun though. We're just working on the design stuff now.
Yeah.
That's what's our next project.
It feels like a lot of like hard work and effort has been poured in. So
yeah.
I think it turns out like, I don't know, I hope it turns out.
Yeah, I really want people to actually like it. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. We haven't put a date on it yet properly.
No. We want to get it done in April though. Like we want it to be launched in April.
I think before. I think we want it for like the oh wait.
That's tomorrow. 31st is tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm thinking early April, first week of April it'll be up. We're sorting out the logistics of it. I'm sure we'll do like a proper video just talking about the whole thing and like the process and stuff. Like we've just realised we're gonna have to get like a, what is it, a certificate or something to be able to like sell stuff on a website, and we didn't even know that existed. So we just want to make sure everything's really secure and everyone's like, it's going to be all protected and stuff, you know.
We'll do a bit of learning.
Yeah, we're doing some learning.
It's very exciting. Like, it's nice to be working on something. Do you know what I mean? Especially
yeah.
now we're in like isolation. It's nice to like, have an actual project.
A little project.
It looks like I'm cuddling you in bed.
No, I think that it's such a nice idea. If you've got an idea in mind, bring it to life somehow in this time. It's really rewarding.
We've always said we wanted to do something like this.
We have.
It's sort of just like, we had a bit of a midlife crisis, well, I did. We need to do something and we're like, let's just do it. Like, let's just
go for it.
Make it happen.
Also, I think it's good, it's the perfect time to also say that we're going to launch presets together.
Yeah, yeah.
Because, like, I think I said this in my vlog the other day, but our most common question on Instagram is like, how do you edit your photos? So we're going to make our presets basically available to people for a really affordable price.
And it should all be in one place, the ebook presets. We just need to work sort of finishing touches and things out, like kind of finalising it. But
we've got
hoping by a week really it should be done.
Yeah, we've got a cool brand name as well. I think we should sort the Instagram out tonight for it. We're going to make an actual Instagram account for the brand too. I'm sure I'll update you, but I want to do like a proper video talking about how we started, like.
It's still annoying we can't be together, right?
I know. I literally said,
just do a sit down video.
When you went to go do get your camera, I literally said, we don't know why we didn't self-isolate together.
Yeah.
So we could work on this stuff together.
Yeah.
So annoying.
Okay, so that's basically the little project we've been working on. I've been trying not to like say too much vlogging the other day because I didn't know like how in depth. Obviously with it being like a joint thing, I don't want to say something if you're like, oh no, we're keeping that secret. But I feel like other than the physical written text, it's pretty much I want people to be excited for it. Like it's something small to start off, I guess, in the grand scheme of things that we probably want to do. But yeah. The first step. And we both love writing, that's why we have our blog, so we thought an ebook would be a good way to start it all off. Yeah. Yeah.
Right, so I've just found out some really exciting news. My graduation is going to be on Tuesday the 8th of September 2020. Fuck knows if it's going to go ahead and if I'm going to get a ceremony, but I bloody hope I do, because these 3 years at uni are not worth it if you're not going to graduate in the cathedral, you know. My ceremony's at 7:30 p.m, which at first I almost had a heart attack. I was like, how am I going to get peng pics in the pitch black? But apparently I've just had Carrie calm me down, and she said hers was at 7:30 and you're literally out all day for graduation. So I'm going to rewatch her vlog in a second just to get a little bit excited and hopefully like manifest that I'm actually going to have my graduation ceremony this year. But yeah, this sucks, this whole coronavirus thing, because I know obviously like I'm in a good position now, like I'm healthy, I'm so grateful for that, but I'm sure a lot of you final year students will be feeling the same. Like seriously, like so many graduations have been cancelled. I've had so many heartbreaking messages from you guys on Instagram saying your graduation's been cancelled, like your ceremony, obviously you'll still graduate, but like the whole part of going to uni is to have that experience and that ceremony at the end. So I don't get why they're not postponing all these postponing the ceremony rather than just cancelling it. So I'm really stressed about that for one. Two, I was like 7:30 ceremony, brilliant, but it should be fine because it's like beginning of September and the lighting will be fine, golden hour maybe. And yeah, so yeah, my graduation is at 7:30 on the 8th of September, so let's all pray and put into the universe that graduation's going to go ahead. His graduation video, I didn't get some of the stuff ticked off my to-do list today, but I did a really good job, I think, at like starting my disc poster. I did my lecture, I did obviously some brand work and everything, so yeah, that's good. And now I'm just going to catch up with some friends, watch some videos and edit. So thank you very much for watching this vlog. Make sure to hit the thumbs up if you've been enjoying my little homey productive vlogs. Let me know what you've been up to this week down below, and I will see you very soon for my next vlog. Bye.